G'day guys, so you've seen the thumbnail, you've clicked on the video, give me a few minutes of your time and I promise you, it ain't clickbait. This is the best way to clean a manifold. Have a look at that. I'm going to turn that piece of garden art into something you'd put on your big block hot rod. Righto, I'll take the camera off the stick, give you a quick look at this and then we'll get into giving it a clean. So this is what we're starting with. There's a bit of paint on this, some old rusty water stains, fair bit of corrosion there, fair bit of corrosion down in there, and inside looks like it's been sitting in someone's fish pond for a while. But anyway, we'll look under here, same deal inside those ports, fair bit of corrosion and stuff in there. So we should be able to get rid of all of that. Anyway, first thing we do is put it over in that machine over there and dry blast it and get all that corrosion and stuff off it. So here's that manifold in the dry blasting cabinet. We'll give that a pre-blast blast with garnet and then we'll give you a look at it before we put it into the hydroblasting cabinet. So there we go, manifold's had a quick dry blast, knocked all the rough edges off it. That's the sort of finish you're going to get there if you take it to your sandblaster and get him to blast it. Not the finish you want to put on your car. Alright if you were going to paint it. Anyway, we're not going to paint this. The customer wants the nice, bright, shiny aluminium look. So we'll pop it in the hydroblasting cabinet now and give it a bit of a burst in there. So there it is. That's the inside of my wet blasting cabinet, my hydroblasting cabinet. If you're new to the channel, if you are new to the channel, go and check out some of the other videos. Anyway, let's kick this baby in the guts and we'll give that a nice shine. Well, there we go, folks. We'll rinse that shit off, we'll drag it out and put it on the bench, but it's looking all right at the moment. I tell you what, every day's like Easter here, bringing stuff back from the dead. Anyway, I'll finish rinsing this off, blow it off with some air, we'll put it on the bench and have a look. So there you go, guys. There's a look at that manifold out of the cabinet. I've blown it dry, wiped it down. Very nice. Have a look inside there, nice and clean in there also. No corrosion or anything on that. We flip her over, the underneath. Don't know whether you can really see in there, but that's the inside of the ports, they're quite nice. And the underneath, that's better than new, that manifold. Customer will be wrapped with that. And if you're thinking about cleaning up a manifold, less than an hour that took. Well, there you go, viewers. I wasn't bullshitting you. You won't find a better process on the planet than this for cleaning aluminium, especially manifolds. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you want, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.